If you are looking for some healthy dessert recipes that are quick, single serve, and easy, then watch this video because I'm sharing with you 3 recipes you can make super quickly. They taste delicious and they make the perfect dessert or treat. If you are new and would like to subscribe, we make tons of delicious, healthy recipes on this channel, so hit that red button and the bell notification to know when I post a new video. So the first one we're making is this raw cookie dough. I'm using some almond flour. You can use blanched or unblanched almond flour, a little bit of vanilla for flavor, a little bit of arrowroot flour, which just helps the texture really make it nice and cookie doughy, but it is optional. So if you don't have arrowroot, you can leave it out. A touch of maple syrup just for a little bit of sweetness, and then a little bit of almond butter. You can also use any kind of nut or seed butter that you want here. And this is great because it's loaded with healthy fats. It's super satisfying. It's gonna balance your blood sugar. It's loaded with vitamin E, and all of those nuts have so many great minerals in it for you. Magnesium, zinc, phosphorus, all those things that your body needs. So we're gonna go ahead and combine it until the dough is nice and soft. And then to that, I'm just gonna be adding in a little bit of chocolate chips. So I use a scant tablespoon and I'm just folding that in until everything is nice and combined. And depending on how runny your nut butter is, it will depend on how quickly it comes together. But you have this wonderful, decadent cookie dough. It comes together in less than a minute and tastes so good. Next up, we're making instant chocolate strawberries. So I'm starting off by making some paleo chocolate with some coconut oil and some cashew butter. Again, you can use any kind of nut or seed butter that you like here. And then to that, I'm going to be adding in some raw cacao. And the great thing about this is that raw cacao is loaded with antioxidants. And especially because we're not heating this up or baking it or anything, we still get all those wonderful minerals, especially magnesium, in the antioxidants that's in the cacao. So I stir that together until everything is nice and combined. Make sure you do use warm coconut oil. It'll just be a lot easier to mix than trying to mix coconut oil that's a little bit more solid. So just stir that together until it is nice and smooth. And then the secret to making instant chocolate strawberries is to use frozen strawberries. So when you pour this nice warm melted chocolate over the strawberries, it hardens like almost instantly, and they like are covered and they're perfect. You can wait for the strawberries to thaw for about 5-10 minutes and then pour the chocolate on, or pour the chocolate on and then wait about 5 minutes. But either way, it's so delicious and it's kind of cool, but it's got this wonderful chocolate shell. It's so decadent, and you can definitely do it with almost any fruit. And then as you can see, once they thaw a little bit, honestly, they thaw in just a few minutes. You have these wonderfully chocolate covered strawberries that are instant to make, delicious, and easy too. And then we are making a mug cake. A lot of you guys were requesting something that you can do in the microwave because I know a lot of you live in dorms or something like that, or just don't want to wait for an oven to heat up. So I made this mug cake recipe with some almond flour, coconut flour, cacao, and coconut oil. And all of this is just a really quick, decadent thing that you can make. It's super chocolatey. Also adding in a little bit of almond milk and then some maple syrup just for a touch of sweetness. It's not on the overly sweet side. I would say I add about less than a teaspoon, so a scant teaspoon. Stir that together until it is nice and smooth. And then we are going to be putting this in the microwave. So I cooked mine at 70% for 45 seconds, but depending on the strength of your microwave, it will depend on how more you need to cook it. I would say do less more than more because you don't want to dry it out. So just put it into a microwave safe mug or ramekin, whatever you have. Scoop that out and then you can microwave it. If you want oven instructions, I haven't tried this. I do have other recipes that use an oven. This is one specifically made for the microwave for those of you who don't have access to an oven. To finish it off, I do put a little bit of chocolate chips on before I pop it into the microwave. Just adds a little bit of extra chocolatey goodness. But honestly, this recipe is so easy to make. And guys, look, when you take it out, it's super moist, chocolatey, decadent, yummy. Honestly, ready in like less than 2 minutes. It's so delicious and definitely something you can add when you want like a healthy dessert that's really, really quick. So now you have 3 healthy desserts that are quick to make, easy, and single serve. I am going to leave my healthy dessert ebook that is completely free down in the description box below, so you can pick that up. It has all of my top desserts, and I'm also going to leave my healthy dessert playlist right here that has tons more healthy, delicious recipes. So check that out after this video. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.